Ever heard about chakras and wondered what they are? Well, you're not alone. Chakras, a fascinating concept that originated in India, are essentially energy portals within our bodies. Intricately tied to practices such as yoga and Ayurveda, these chakras play a significant role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Imagine a life force flowing within you, just like a river. Now picture 7 main points or chakras along this river that help regulate the flow of this energy. These 7 chakras align along our spine, each one associated with specific areas of our body, influencing our health and life experiences. When in balance, energy flows freely, creating a sense of harmony within us. But what happens when these chakras are blocked? How does it affect us? And most importantly, how can we bring them back into balance? So, let's dive deeper and explore each of these 7 main chakras, shall we? Ready to journey through the 7 main chakras? Buckle up! Let's begin at the base of the spine with the first chakra, the root chakra, known in Sanskrit as Muladhara. It's associated with feelings of safety and grounding. When in balance, it promotes a sense of security and courage. However, when blocked, it could lead to anxiety and fear. Moving up, we come to the sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana. Located in the lower abdomen, this chakra governs our relationships, creativity, and sexual energy. When it's in harmony, it fosters healthy connections and creativity, but when blocked, it can cause emotional instability and lack of self-worth. Located above the navel, the solar plexus chakra, or Manipura, is our power center. It influences our self-esteem, willpower, and ability to achieve our goals. When it's flowing freely, we feel empowered and capable. But when it's blocked, we may experience self-doubt and struggle with decision-making. At the heart center, we find the heart chakra, or Anahata, which is all about love, kindness, and compassion. When balanced, we feel love for ourselves and others, forgiveness, and empathy. However, when it's blocked, it can lead to feelings of isolation and bitterness. Throat chakra, or Vishuddha, is located, as you might guess, at the throat. It's connected to our ability to communicate and express ourselves. When it's balanced, we can express our truth with clarity and confidence. But when blocked, we may struggle to speak our truth and feel misunderstood. The third eye chakra, or Ajna, is located in the center of the forehead, just above the space between the eyes. This chakra is linked to intuition, wisdom, and the ability to see the big picture. When open and balanced, it allows us to see things as they truly are. But when blocked, it can lead to confusion, indecision, and cynicism. Finally, we reach the crown chakra, or Sahasrara, at the very top of the head. This chakra connects us to the divine and our higher self. It's associated with enlightenment and spiritual connection. When this chakra is open, we feel a deep sense of unity and the interconnectedness of all things. However, when blocked, it can lead to feelings of disconnection, spiritual cynicism, and isolation. Now that we have a basic understanding of the 7 main chakras, what happens when they are blocked, and how does it affect us? Imagine a river with a dam blocking its flow. That's what happens when our chakras are blocked. With the course of our lives, it's natural for energy to get obstructed at times. These blockages can occur when we hold on to anger, fear, guilt, or any form of stress. The result? Our chakras become blocked, and this can manifest in various physical and emotional symptoms. You might feel restless, lethargic, or even become prone to frequent illnesses. Emotionally, you may experience feelings of isolation, inability to express emotions, or lack of motivation. It's almost like you're stuck in a rut with no apparent way out. But remember, these chakras are the portals through which energy flows in our bodies. When they're blocked, our well-being takes a hit. It's not just about physical health, but also about emotional stability and spiritual growth. So, it's essential to acknowledge these blockages and work towards removing them. The question then arises, so what can we do to unblock these chakras and restore balance? Balancing chakras might seem like a Herculean task, but it's actually simpler than you think. It's all about harnessing the power of energy and directing it towards the areas that need it most. Each chakra, from the root to the crown, has its own frequency and resonates with certain colors, sounds, and even yoga poses. By aligning these frequencies, we can unblock and balance our chakras. Meditation, for instance, can be a powerful tool in this process. By focusing on the location of each chakra and visualizing its associated color, we can stimulate energy flow and bring about balance. Yoga, too, can help to open up and align the chakras. Specific poses are associated with each chakra, helping to clear blockages and promote energy flow. But remember, understanding your chakras isn't just about unblocking energy. It's about understanding yourself on a deeper level. It's about recognizing the connection between your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It's about acknowledging that what happens in one area of your life can impact others. So when you're working on balancing your chakras, you're not just working on balancing energy. You're working on balancing you, and that's a journey that's well worth taking. Remember, balancing your chakras is a journey towards a healthier, happier you.